Good night and welcome back, my beautiful people. You don't know me or something for sure today. It's not a fishing video, it's not a hunting video, guys, but you don't know. We're inside, we're not outside today, so this is my room here, guys. Yeah, man, as you can see, look at settings. Yeah, man. So this is my room. I won't go in the living room because I'm doing a video right here, guys. So I just want to show appreciation to a few of my supporters, guys. They're mostly family. I have a lot of gifts for the Christmas, guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate you all for sending me these things, guys. Watch this. This right here is from my grandfather, Michael. This is a 4K Ultra HD camera, guys. I will set this up in a few and show you. See? Look what I go on. So I go on, yeah. Alright, so these are the fittings for the camera, guys. Yeah, man. The angle. And this is from Maxine Wang, guys. See? My cousin-in-law. I just want to show her appreciation that I appreciate it. This is a Sundune tent, guys. It's 7 feet tall. It's 7 feet long. And 2.1 meters across. Easy setup, 10-minute setup, guys. I'm going to set it up on my bed and show you what I go and see. At night, yeah. You see me? I will be fishing in about Wednesday, guys. So just want to show you what I want, show you some still there, show you some love, and Merry Christmas, guys. Yeah, man. Happy New Year. Be safe, guys. Be safe on the road because I've been on the road and I've seen a lot of accidents, guys. You don't know me after the home, from home to the grocery store, I know, back and forth. I seize up some meat and we're gonna mad cook up for the Christmas, guys. But cook up or jerk up or roast up because I have something mad for you, man. Don't worry yourself. You see me, I say? But for now, I go and set up them show thing here and show you what I go on, guys. Because I appreciate them. Michael, grandfather, big up yourself. Strawberry, big up yourself. You see me? You know yourself. Alright, guys. So we're outside now, you know?
Outside the next banger.
So this is the Ultra HD camera. Yeah, man. So it have a hand strap, very comfortable, guys. So I go on. Yeah, man. Screen kind of have some dust on it. This is the mic that comes with it, guys. Let me show you how that go. Alright, so you got to adjust this a little. Bam. You adjust it back down. Yeah. So we're getting somewhere. This right here, guys, this is to cover the lens. Yeah, man, it's nice. It's have a good quality, guys. Look at that. So clear. That's so beautiful, guys. Yeah, man. So you go like this. You screw on the, you know, if the time too bright, you screw on the lid, guys. So that's that. And you have the stand right here, guys. You know, I'm going to buy a taller stand for this soon and very soon, guys, because I don't know, I don't really have a cameraman. So, and this plugs in somewhere around here, guys. You see where it says mic and HD, guys. So you know, it comes with have a lot of a whole heap of settings, guys. This is the remote. It comes with a remote, 2 battery, and a memory card, a 32 GB memory card, guys. Come with the case. I just put the box in the bin. So this is pretty much it, guys. It's a nice setting. So look at it. So I go on. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. So I just want to say again, thank you, sir. I got some sand in that, guys, because I went and I put it in my bag, and my bag had sand in it, so don't mind the sand. It's a brand new camera. Yeah. All right, so that is that for the camera, guys. So now on to the tent, guys. See me I say? All right, I should do that magic trick, huh? No, guys. I won't be doing any magic trick. No magic trick around here. So let me unwrap it, guys. I'm showing you that I'm going to unwrap this for the first time. I have my bigger tent, guys. The 11-man tent is done by St. Catherine. That's, you know, which part of the team there. And let me get the camera out right there, because it's 7 foot. So this should be a bit bigger than the bed, guys. So I'm putting these for the first time. Alright, so I don't need the manual, guys. So let me put them aside. Alright. So these are the, you know, to fold them, keep them standing. Okay, elastico, guys. Yeah, man. See what one? Just a pull off elastic, the man thing. See it? Yes, man. Like man, strawberry, see me? So these are the steak, guys. Yeah, man. You're supposed to know the steak by now. You're supposed to know the steak by now, guys. These, you know, these are anchored on the tent when you need to. Or I would advise you guys to anchor down the tent every time you set it up, guys, because you don't know when the wind can pick up, right? Worse if you're on a seaside, come on, anchor down the tent. So I guess this is the waterproof. This is the waterproof one of the tent, guys. All right. So let's get the camera out of the way, guys. Let's move this right here. Yeah, man, so tent ka no? So let's let these come in. Let's get over this, guys. So okay. So let's keep it. This is bigger than I expected, guys. This is very big. Very big. Alright guys, so the tent is bigger than I thought. Yeah man, so this right here is the door. You know? Tent is bigger than I expected guys. This right here is the door guys. I want to say thanks Maxine for the tent. My respect goes out to you. And I know you said you had something else for me. Yeah man, my respect always goes out. Come along a while. Thank you. Grandfather, Mr. Michael, you don't know you did with me from day one. Yeah man, so all the returning subscribers, big up yourself. Everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And guys, please be safe on the road. Right? If you don't have to go out guys, stay in, right? You can enjoy a beer inside, be in the back of your yard. Yeah man, but if you need to go fishing guys, fine, but remember, take care on the road guys. Yeah man. See me I say? Jamaica Adventures guys. We out. So guess what? We underestimate the size of the tent, so we are now. Set it up right just out in the yard. Show them what. See me I say?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you do.
Alright guys, so this is it. Don't see we have on the top already. Yeah, so this is a camping light. One hook up at top, so guys can connect that. You have a thing that can hold some thing like this 3-man tent, probably a 4-man can, I will need to put in guys. Yeah, so this is the window guys. This is one of the back window. You pull it from outside and you lift the flap and you hook it up, and this is the sunroof guys. So you can look outside, look at the stars and everything, you see me? Yeah man, that is it guys. So that's pretty much it, and yeah man. Yeah guys, so I think now the bed too forward, as I say. Barry, big up yourself. Grandfather Michael, big up yourself, you see me? To all my subscribers, my future subscribers, big up yourself, you see me? Big up Yannick back at the camera guys. Don't know you outside. Merry Christmas again. Happy New Year. Stay safe guys. Keep off the road if you can guys. Have a beer in the backyard with a couple friends. Enjoy yourself guys. Yeah man, see that? Watch out. Yeah, para ang hold that. Yeah, you have to do. Just lock the camera. Wow. Jump. Yeah, go on guys. That's it. Yeah man. So there. I don't know. Jamaica Adventures guys. We outside now. Don't see Satan could set up on the bed. It's big guys. Underestimate it. Yeah man. We outside guys.